Welcome to my channel ITSmartTraining. Today we are going to start website configurations through IIS and the name resolutions process with the DNS server. So in my last video we configured DNS and we have learned some DNS features and we have learned what is DNS. So now in this video we have to learn the DNS name resolutions process in my local environment, LAN environment, without internet, and website configurations through IIS. So let's start the lab. So I have two virtual machines, one is a V1 and another is V2. So I configured V1 as a DNS server and a V2 in my is a web server. So let's start the video. Go to run ncpa.cpl. I have to provide IP address at first, both the machine. So just provide an IP address .10.10.10.1. DNS server address is also the same because this is my DNS server. I just provide not 10, I just provide 0, 10.0.0.1, and this is also but 10.0.0.1 because this is my DNS server also. So this is my web server IIS, so I provide an IP address is 10.0.0.2, 10.0.0.1. DNS server is my V1 machine. So in my V1 system, I just go to the server manager. Same. In my second machine, I have to go to the server manager also. You can go to run. My machine is a little bit slow. Type COMP-MGMT-LAUNCHER comp MGMT launcher. It will open the server manager. Same in V2. It takes few minutes to open. Say it's open. In my V1 machine, I just install a DNS role. So go to add roles and features. Next role based feature based installation. Next, select DNS, add features. Next, Next, restart if required, yes, and install. So DNS will install after a few minutes. So I just go to the v2 machine. Same here, go to add roles and features. Next, role-based features installations. Next. So now I just install the web server IIS. Next, next, next. You have to select some compatibility features like management console, etc. Just select our basic authentication. That's it. Just next, restart if required, yes, install. So it will also take a few minutes to install. Till then I just pause my video. See, DNS role is installed successfully, and IIS role is also installed successfully. At first I configured the DNS server. uh, this step is also mentioned in my last video. Just go to tools and click on DNS. I create a zone, forward lookup zone, named smartlab.com. Next, this is my DNS database file. Next, allow both secure non-secure dynamic updates. Next, finish. Okay, done. Now I have to uh, properties, change settings. I just select the name is RV1 and I just add the DNS suffix. After configuring this, it will restart. Restart now. In the version virtual machine 2, I have to do the process, that is DNS suffix add. Go to change, same like last steps. I just named these machines to the web. Go to more. I just add DNS suffix. Okay, wait few minutes till the till the virtual machine, DNS virtual machine will start. Otherwise this name will not register in the DNS. I have to register that manually. So we just wait for start this virtual machine. You can see that the machine is started already. I just logged in. In the meantime, I go to the next machine, select OK, and it will also restart and take few minutes to start. Web server is starting. Yes everyone, this is recording is created. This machine is starting. Now we have to log in the web server and provide the password, and now we have to create a web page and host it into the IIS. DNS is configured here. See, web server host record is populated in my DNS server. My server is little bit slow, so I am really very sorry for that. So my web server is ready. So now I go to index, right click on desktop and create a new document. Welcome to ITSmartTraining. Go to file and save as any name. I just set web.html and save it to the HTML file. Okay, this is my website. I just copy it and paste it into a location which is located under this PC, C drive, inetpub, www root, and paste it here. Next we have to go to run inetmgr. We type inetmgr. It will open IIS manager, web, sites, websites. Okay, so I just go to the default document. I just add the name of my HTML file, web.html. Add it. Make sure it will populate in the top of the list. Then it is done. Now we have to go here. Now we want to open that particular site with the www or any other name, so that the FQDN of the web server is now web.smartlab.com. web.smartlab.com is open. So if I try to my physical machine, go to IPv4, I just type an IP 10.0.0.3, 10.0.0.1. Okay, close. Done. Now I just type server is web.smartlab.com. Yeah, it's open. So how it's open? Now we have to open the site with the www. So here you can see the web is my host name of the web server. So now we want to open that site instead of web.html. smartlab.com to www.smartlab.com. So for that we have to create an alias or a CNAME. I click new alias of CNAME. Alias is www. So this is www.smartlab.com. It is redirect to web.smartlab.com. That's it. Now I just go to the browser. See, my smartlab.com is opened and working fine. So how this website is open, I just show you. So this is my web server and DNS server. This is my DNS server. And this is my web server. And this is my client machine. This is my client machine. So the IP address of the DNS is 10.0.0.1. This one is IP and DNS is 10.0.0.1. Same. The web server IP is 10.0.0.2. DNS is 10.0.0.1. In my client machine, IP is 10.0.0.3 and the DNS is 10.0.0.1. So I have a forward lookup zone right here. The forward lookup zone, the name of the forward lookup zone is smartlab.com. Inside the smartlab.com we have a record that is web.smartlab.com and another record is www.lab.com, and it is mapped with 10.0.0.2 and this is mapped with www. This is a host record and this is CNAME. Okay, so now I just open a browser in my client machine and type here to the web.smartlab.com. What the process is going on. At first it checks the browser cache. It checks the browser cache whether the web.smartlab.com IP address is there or not. If it cannot found smartlab.com, then second it checks the DNS cache to the client machine. If here you can Here the process cannot find the web.smartlab.com. Then the client machine is forward a query to the DNS, who is the query is www.web.smartlab.com, and just forward a query. In DNS checks that the web.smartlab.com entry is over here. So this kind of query is called recursive query. This kind of query is called recursive query. Then when it finds that the DNS server, the IP address is 10.0.0.1, it's just send a reply to the client machine okay. The web.smartlab.com IP address is 10.0.0.1. okay, and at first client update its DNS cache that this entry. Then it store the browser cache also, and then the website will open. Website will contact with this IP address and then it open. And when we open that website, I just show you. When we type www.smartlab.com, same, at first is check the browser cache, then go to the DNS cache. If it is empty, then go send a query to the DNS server, who is www.smartlab.com. So then DNS server find that www is mapped with web. This is mapped with web. So then it's contact with these records, and web is assigned with this IP address 10.0.0.2. Then the client machine send a reply here, the same www.smartlab.com IP address is 10.0.0.1. In the same process, it's stored in the DNS cache as well as the browser cache, then the website will open. This is the whole process. This is how the DNS server resolves the client requests. So this type of query is also recursive query. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you for watching.